Is that normal? Is that a special feature?
I think it's lightning. It's designed for lightning. Oh, canopy's up. Look like it's coming loose. Oh, was it me? Yeah, it's it. Oh, it's just a sun, isn't it? Yeah. Ah. Oh no, it is. Yeah, it is. Okay. I guess I'll land it then.
Oh, yeah.
Land it!
Oh wow, yeah, you can see that. Oh, and at least you lost it on the field, on the patch.
Oh yeah. You want it to fall off, didn't I? You know what I mean?
He's got some beans, that little thing.
It's not too bad, is it? Ah, that was fun.
Oh, that's better. I've just altered the trim. I noticed I had a lot of up trimming.
So they pull your weight and take them all together and pull your weight and don't do that. Because men don't have a fucking hourglass figure, do they? They don't have the same figure as you. I don't know.
Yeah, that's flying better. So the weight is right. I simply had too much up elevator in it.
When you have your kit, it comes apart like that. So women, they pull them back together.
I think I need more aileron control.